Here's the trail list here. And we get pretty crazy, especially that one. I know people that did that one. So we're gonna go on this one, the one that's not there anymore. No one's really allowed up there. It's really close, really easy hike. But there's a reason why they closed it off, and I'll show you guys in a minute. Alright, we're here at the start of the trail. I already kind of got lost here, but I'll find it eventually. There's a trail marker there, sweet. So I just gotta go that way. I'll show you guys what a trail marker looks like too. But as you can see here, it's just a giant rock fall area right from the start. And even as you go up, it gets kind of ledgy, which makes total sense why they would take that off of the list there, the trail list. Here's what a trail marker looks like. If you get lost and you see one of those, you're going on the right track. There's also one on top of there. And as we go on, maybe when I come back down, I'll set some trail markers. No, actually no, I'm just gonna leave. This is probably the earliest trail marker you want. You don't want tourists to start coming up here. But yeah. Alright, I got lost for a second, now I'm on track. But I just want to show you, I have to go up this thing. It's kind of sketch because it's all wet. But my trail marker that I left a while ago is still there, so that's cool. I ran into a local coming down and he said all the falls are on right now. Last time we were only able to see 2 of them. Upper Falls was dry, and same with Illilouette, but we should be able to see them now along with Nevada and was Vernal. 360 view of all 4 waterfalls. It's gonna be great. Yeah, and we're here. Unfortunately, it's about noon, so everything's probably gonna be a little blown out. I'm gonna do my best to show you guys what's around here. Look at that. The bottom one there is Vernal.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Top one there is Nevada. And they're just raging. They're full on. So sick. Let me go over the ledge here. Kind of see the rapids a little bit there. You can hear it from here. Ooh, you want to go over the edge there? Illilouette Falls. Right there. And then come over here. You got let me find a good spot. Boom. The famous Upper Falls resurrected from the dead. It's going hard. This is my view here. Yeah. So there you have it. Sierra Point. Unfortunately, my camera, since I'm such a fucking amateur and I don't have proper equipment, my card is full and my 16 gigabyte is done. It's just dead. It doesn't work anymore. But yeah, here we are. Sierra fucking Point. I'll show you the actual point. Right there. It's where you could, or used to be able to just hang out there. Make love to your significant other. Or a stranger, you know, whatever. But that's it. You said. You fucking sick. Thank you, Tori, for showing me this spot. It's fucking dope. I'm just gonna chill here on the sledge. Oh yeah, I like my shadow. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Here I am. Probably be here for a little bit, enjoy the view. I want to put everything here in. I want to put out my whole entire experience here in my videos and show it to you guys as best as I can. Will just becoming a struggle because I don't know how to go about it, but yeah, I guess, I don't know. I'm here, I'm living. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. It's just whatever I feel like when I wake up, really. Today is Monday, October 19th, 1:10 p.m. and it's Sierra Point.